Introducing you Emma sectional sofa designed by Husky. This sectional sofa is for mid-size homes. It's reversible and nice soft fabric to it. It's very easy to reverse if you need to bring your chaise on the right hand side. And there are some magic things in it. If you have more company over, you can convert it into more seating. Storage Ottoman. And this Emma section have a nice wooden legs to it. And the seating is really comfortable. We are using Husky HD pocket springs in it. And back of the cushions are really soft cushions. So nice firm, like medium seating, I would say. Medium seating, nice comfortable ones. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Thank you.